They have a lot of stocks and stuff. Would you say the price for this is far off? Do you think this new couch would be tidy for us?
I don't know.
Wait, look at this. Look at this, I'm digging it. You like this? Because I think it looks a little melodic. I don't know about this, it just looks a little basic. Yeah, I'd say out of all the couches, this is the finest.
Are you frightened about this chair or what?
That you're stealing my joke. See, Mom, the only reason you like this couch is because you're a little biased.
This is...
Hey, bro, you see this right here? This is where I can put my box set of Game of Thrones.
Oh, wow.
Want to see where I put all my motivation? There. Mom, I think we should get these napkins. They're fantastic. I don't know about you, but I think this is for sluts.